Here it is, the Yaw3 MX Bikes prototype. Oh, the must-have accessory for 2025. Okay, it's bodged together a bit, and obviously I've got like just a wooden horse holding the seat up there, joined from the four sidearm supports on the yaw. I'm going to use the end of the roller here as the foot pegs for now. Eventually we'll get some controls on there, but for now we just have basic controls. We've just got these handlebars, look, cable tied to this old T150. Once I get a nice quick release bracket for the Moser, I'm going to get AJ to weld that onto the quick release bracket. That'll make that all a lot stronger. We need to do something with this centre post that you've made here. It's junk, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? I don't know who's using this, but look at it moves. I've got it tightened up as much as I possibly can. I've even put, you know, some plastic washers in there, look, to try and grip it, but it's just rubbish. So that'll need re-engineered at some point. But before I ride it, I'm probably going to put some kind of cross beam in here and ratchet strap that in or something so that it doesn't move. Not quite ready to ride it yet, but it is very much finished. I've tested all of the controls, got them here through the USB hub. They all work absolutely beautifully. One thing that I'm very proud of here, of course, MX Bikes has got force feedback, which is lovely, so we'll see some force feedback coming back through these bars. Not a lot on this crappy old T150, but there'll be plenty when the Moser R9 goes on there, and it'll all be engineered properly, and you'll be able to lean on the handlebars, which you can't really do at the moment. So I'm just kind of hoping that I can just wing it by sitting on the seat and balancing on the foot peg somehow without having to use the bars too much, just to give it a try and see how well it works. I've got some buttons here on the face, so I can use those. The best bit about it, I've really done a great hack here, I have to say, with the throttle. So what I've done with the throttle is I've just used the normal cable throttle, and I put it through into this old pedal set, just a cheap pedal set, and you can see there, you twist the throttle, and it just I've drilled through the back of the pedal set, and then drilled right through into the actual pedal itself. Used the innards of like a connector block, electrical connector block, just a little brass screw and the housing, and put that on the end of the cable. So that works beautifully there for the throttle. You got the brake over on this side, same mechanism, just a cable brake there, and that goes through, as you can see, onto the brake on the pedals. So that saves any messing about with Arduinos or converting to USB or any of that sort of nonsense. Just plug it straight in there, and the computer's going to recognize it straight away. I don't know what else to tell you about this. Obviously I've removed the actual the front foot plate. That's all gone, and I haven't used a seat plate or anything in here, just straight onto these arms at the end here, yeah, that's it really. And just show you a little test with it, I just